Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. DEWALT sponsored us to review the 20 volt max Grabo suction lifter. You may have seen other brands out there and they're all very similar. Now, while this is a paid partnership, our reviews will remain independent, editorial, with integrity. If we like something, we're gonna say so, and if we don't, you're gonna know. Simple as that. That's the way we've always done things on this channel. The DEWALT 20 volt Grabo lifter tool is a robust tool. It's a suction tool designed for lifting heavy materials, making it indispensable for pros in the field, but maybe DIYers too. It has a horizontal lifting capacity to lift straight up 265 pounds and a vertical lifting capacity of 132 pounds. And it can handle a diverse different types of materials. Look, these are the certain tools that I keep in my van, and I call them problem solving or SOS tools. And what I mean by that is when I'm doing an installation or having difficulty on an installation, or I just need assistance or that third hand, these are the indispensable tools that I go for. Off the top of my head, Grabo is one of them, a suction lifter. Inflatable lifting bags is another. Lifting jacks like the DEWALT construction jack, or vertical poles like the third hand jacks for cabinets, or even the longer ones for holding things up in place. These are the things that I go to avoid damaging property or making an installation easier, or just to save my lower back. And this is where I think the DEWALT Grabo suction lifter fits for me as a pro remodeling contractor. All right, so here's how it works. It's simple and easy to use. You place the vacuum pad on a clean, flat surface, free of holes and cracks and things like that, and you press the green button. That will activate a vacuum pump. Now, the LED screen on the pump will show pressure levels with a maximum of negative 12 psi. Once the max pressure is reached, the pump shuts off to conserve power. There is a built-in sensor that maintains suction, and it will restart that pump if pressure drops below negative 10.4 psi. And also at altitudes, if you're above 4,000 feet or with, maybe dealing with semi-porous materials, the pump may continue to run to maintain pressure. That's okay. To release the pump, you press the green button once to deactivate or turn off the pump. Then you engage this two-action release system. You slide a red button lever, and then you press the red button down. Simple as that. It releases suction. The features on it, it's got a pretty high capacity for lifting. It'll lift up to 265, like I said, horizontal. It will work on versatile applications like non-porous and semi-porous surfaces, rough textures. It monitors pressure, which I think is smart. There's a digital display, and you can change the display from PSI or bar, either one. There are safety alarms built into it. There's an alert for low suction, low battery, or if you shut the power off inadvertently. And then there are 4 lifting straps to give you some configurations for lifting. You can add some straps or do something. Pretty easy to maintain. It's removable, washable seal on the bottom. It's got a dust cover. And there is a sunshade on it that improves visibility outdoors with the sun. So those are the features, but we own 3 Grabos, right? Suction tools, and I have them on all my trucks, and we use them pretty regularly on remodeling projects. Testing the DEWALT version was not a far reach for us since we're already familiar with the tool and how it works. The main point I want to emphasize is that DEWALT improved the safety on their suction tool compared to the ones we own. And they did that by including that 3-step suction release, which will kind of prevent an inadvertent deactivation or shutting off the tool. You can't hit one button to deactivate the suction. I think that's great, and I think that's a major improvement that DEWALT put into their version. As far as performance by material, we tested it on masonry. It was effortless to lift up granite, bluestone pavers, as long as the surfaces were clean. Wood, it handled plywood sheets with ease, really easy. PVC Sheetstock, half-inch Sheetstock. It's simplified lifting. It gets floppy. It's awkward. Real easy. Just do a vertical lift with it. Cabinets, it works excellent for allowing kind of precise lifting, placement, saving on your back because you can create your own handholds. Appliances, same thing. Simplified moving installation. Give you kind of a secure grip, a lift point. Just be careful on stainless steel appliances. You don't want to dent them. Glass, we tested on single pane, double strength glass. And while we were able to get a good suction, good seal, it unfortunately broke the glass. So Definitely don't want to use it on single pane glass. This, and look, this was probably a poor decision on my part to try it, but I wanted to test it. I wanted to see if it worked. We used it on, I think that's probably everything there. Oh, I lifted a metal plate, and I also tested it on a manhole cover. And it had some bumps in it, so the pump stayed on, but it did lift it up. I don't recommend that. Those things are heavy. I think I mentioned this earlier, but as far as maintenance goes, the foam rubber vacuum seal is easy to clean. You can remove it, you can replace it. The dust filters can be swapped out. They give you a bag of spare parts that you can swap them out. There's little, they almost look like little rubber grommets or something that you swap them out. The DEWALT GRABBO is going to cost $249 as a bare tool. Unfortunately, DEWALT does not, maybe they do now, but they do not include a box or a kit or a bag for this. For me, they give you a dust cover, but for me, I want to see this I want to protect it. I want to protect my investment. I want to keep it dust free. So I would put this in a sustainer or some sort of a T-stack or some sort of box to protect it, or maybe a tool bag and zip it up. That's just me. I would like to see them offer a kit with a charger and a battery and a bag or a box or something like that. But right now, it's just bare tool. So to conclude, the 20 volt max Grabo lifter, it's an excellent tool for lifting heavy materials with ease and precision. It's high lifting capacity, lightweight design, and advanced safety features, which I'm a big proponent of. I really like that. Make it a standout choice. And it's a standout choice for pros and maybe DIYers, like I said, but on a variety of materials: stone, tile, plywood, HVAC equipment, appliances, furnaces. The tool's reliance on a separately sold battery and charger may increase your cost if you're starting from fresh. If you're on the platform, it's a no-brainer. Again, $249 bare tool. I think it's an exceptional value for tasks that demand secure lifting and precise handling. Whether you're working on a construction, remodeling, or material transport, I think this tool is a smart investment to have in your toolbox, so to speak, no pun intended, to go for when you got that SOS call, or you need that problem-solving tool, or you just need a better gripping point. I think it's smart investment. I think it enhances safety, saves the lower back, makes our workflow better on the job. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a cool tool. I like it. I like all of these suction tools. And again, like I said, it's going into my go-to toolbox for problem solving and installation. So try it out. Tell me what you guys think. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and please consider subscribing. We'll see you at the next video review. Take care.